Well, this is Michael, and this will be my first run in the dirt after rebuilding this. You previously saw a video of me running with street tires and doing a street shakedown with it. So today, my grandson Jarod and I are out at our local park to do some playing around with some dirt tires. Since this is my bashing machine, I'm out here to actually do some bashing. I guess we're all crazy. It's hot, too hot to be out here today. If we ever get in your way while we're out here, let me know. What I'm hoping with this bigger than stock motor is it'll have plenty of torque, plenty of acceleration. I don't care too much about top speed, but I want to be able to have control while it's jumping. A lot of wheel speed in the air. Now I'm going to take it easy for a bit. I know I've said that before, but then I'll start jumping. Pardon me?
What's in there?
It's a DHK, which is a brand that most people don't know, and those that do usually despise.
Yeah,
I just got it really cheap a couple of years ago.
I know about DHK.
And I love tinkering, so I decided I'm going to make this darn thing work. It's actually a pretty decent chassis and suspension. It was just the electronics that came in that were terrible.
Usually.
Yeah, usually.
Usually they are. Sorry? No, this is a Losi. Yeah, it's a Losi 3.0.
I'm gonna go get my stand here, okay?
Okay. Whoa!
I almost did a backflip.
I know.
And I hit the
Uh-oh, I think you just screwed up something.
It always sounds like that.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it seemed like it had slowed down too.
No, I wasn't even supposed to.
Oh, there goes the body.
My body keeps falling off because that's how I moved the body.
thing. Take those some jumps. Good handle with that.
I just finished rebuilding it, so I'm kind of taking it easy until I figure out how it's going to handle. I put a bigger than stock motor in it, and I'm trying to get used to the power. Whoa, Jared!
Sorry.
Yeah, there's something in it that sounds weird. I just want to stay out of your way. That is not what I planned to do, but it worked. Ow! Good thing these things are tough.
Oh yeah, no, I mean they could take a beat.
No, not a bit.
Mine costs a lot.
Oh, I'm really happy with this. It's got crazy torque.
And then my stand the subscribers on the
This thing's got a lot of torque with this bigger motor in it, which I love. That's perfect for bashing. Torque on demand.
Right now, I don't know if I strip the gears or if that screw.
Hopefully it's just a set screw.
Hopefully.
I was kind of hoping nobody'd be here today because I want to jump over there, but I don't want to mess up what he's doing. Wheel speed on this thing is insane. And that's with the punch set down to 5 out of 10. It's only at 50%. But I've got that center differential with, what, 2.5 million weight CST in it. That's actually perfect for hooking up on the dirt. Oh, that was an interesting jump.
Rotate and then float on the ground. UFOs, how they spin really fast. You know this?
Yeah.
You know this picture? It kind of looks like that.